Imagine building a super fast highway, but forgetting the exit ramps. Cars would zoom around fast, but they could never leave the road to reach their homes. This is exactly what happens when you pick the wrong network switch. Let's fix that before you crash your network. We'll start with a simple explanation of the difference between a Layer 2 and a Layer 3 switch. A switch is a box with many ports. It connects your computers, printers, and Wi-Fi points. It helps them talk to each other, but not all switches are the same. A Layer 2 switch is a simple helper. It works only on a local level. It connects devices in the same room or department. It uses a MAC address or media access control address. This is a unique ID stamped on every device. The switch reads this ID. It sends data directly to the right device. It does not look at the data content. It is very fast. However, it cannot send data to a different network. It is like a hallway that connects rooms on one floor. A Layer 3 switch is smarter. It does everything a Layer 2 switch does, but it adds a brain. It can also act like a router. It uses an IP address. This is a digital address for the device. This allows the switch to send data between different networks. It can connect the sales team to the HR team. It manages traffic better. It is like an elevator. It connects the rooms on one floor to the rooms on other floors. If you do not understand this, your network will fail. You'll suffer speed loss. Using the wrong switch creates traffic jams. Your internet will feel slow. You'll be exposed to security risks. A Layer 2 switch cannot easily stop bad data from spreading. Hackers can move freely. You end up with wasted money. Layer 3 switches cost more. If you buy one but only need Layer 2, you waste cash. If you buy Layer 2 but need Layer 3, nothing works. Here's an easy example. Imagine a small office. Scenario A. You have 5 computers. They just need a share printer. You need Layer 2. It is cheap and simple. Scenario B. You have 2 teams, sales and engineering. You want to keep their files private, but let them share email servers. You put them on different digital lists of LANs. You need Layer 3. It acts as the garden bridge between the 2 teams. Here is an analogy that helps you understand better. Think of a large office building. A Layer 2 switch is like the hallway. It lets people walk from desk A to desk B inside the same room. It is easy to walk, but you cannot leave the floor. A Layer 3 switch is like a staircase. It lets people move from the first floor to the second floor. It connects different levels, so the whole building works together.
Simply click the link below to learn more.